Hi guys, it's Katz from kkatz Vegan Kitchen. Welcome to another episode. I'm so glad you were able to make it today. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're aware of when my next videos come out. I am currently doing the Starch Solution, which is a whole food plant-based diet, and I've currently lost 55 plus pounds in the last 3 months. So if you're interested in seeing my weight loss journey and having wonderful vegan recipes, please consider subscribing. It helps out a lot and grows our community. So I posted a couple days ago udon noodles on my Instagram. If you're not part of my Instagram, please go and follow it at kkatz Vegan Kitchen. You must, because I post everything there of what I eat. So I posted this image or a little short video, udon noodles, and I had my DMs ringing off the hook. I had so many requests asking me, how did I make the sauce? What did I do? How does it look so beautiful? And is there oil in it? I can tell you right now, there is zero oil because you do not need oil in cooking. Interested in learning this beautiful, vegan, delicious, super fast, which was under 15 minutes from beginning to end to the dish and in my mouth. If you're interested in seeing that, please, let's just jump into the video.
We're going to start with the baby king mushrooms. I'm cutting off the ends and I use about 3 mushrooms and I slice them in half just like this. And then I will start prepping them by cutting them as thinly as possible. You can cut it whichever way you want. I'll pile it on top of each other and I will cut those into thinner strips so they look like this. Perfect. Our next ingredient is going to be a pepper. I already used this part, so I'm just going to cut about 1/4 of that. So the remaining here, this is how I slice it. I just thought I would share that to you. And then I slice it into thin, equal parts as best as I possibly can. I just like the texture of the thinness, and that's how thin you want it to be. Then once it's all prepped, I wash my bean sprouts because I get them in a package, so make sure to wash them. And these are the udon noodles that I use. That's at my local superstore. It comes in 4 packages just like this. Let's get cooking. We're gonna throw in to a hot pan some of the mushrooms and the peppers, or all of it, basically, not some. And we're gonna just mix it. Start adding garlic powder, smoked paprika, black pepper, and just give it a quick stir and it'll start roasting. And then add water. You do not need oil to cook, people. No oil. Add water. When it dries up, add more water. It's an easy concept. Stir it really well. Throw in some snow peas. Mix that up. And add more water. We're going to add in some baby spinach. I added about 2 cups here. And just stir it around and it will wilt down to this consistency. Once it gets to that, add in your noodles and add a splash of water just to help cook the noodles a little bit more. And then stir it all up so that it's well combined with all the other spices that was already in the pot. Once it's combined, add your bean sprouts. This is your last step if you want crispy bean sprouts. I make a little well, and this is where I add my secret sauce, which is barbecue sauce. Use your favorite if you want. I use about 1 tablespoon and about 1.5 teaspoons of dark soy sauce. Once it starts boiling like that or sizzling, give it a quick stir together and then slowly start incorporating all the noodles until it turns out like this. Wonderful. It's ready to plate. Look at that, guys. Absolutely delicious. Yes, this is 1 serving size. So good. My mouth is watering right now. It is absolutely delicious. Every bite is jam-packed of vegetables. Use your favorite vegetables, whatever you have left in the fridge. This is absolutely delicious. You're gonna love it.
Alright guys, as promised, here is my udon noodles. So good. Look at that. Delicious. Like oily, but there's no oil in this. We just use water to saute because you never need oil in order to make your food. It just adds extra calories that you do not need in your system, and it goes to one spot because you know where it goes. But absolutely delicious. Let's give this a try. So good. You guys have to try these noodles. When I first saw them, I was like, oh my goodness, it looks like worms, right? I know that's weird to say, but they're thick. If you like thick noodles, then this is definitely recommended for you. It is packed with nutrients. You have your greens in here, your red peppers, your mushrooms, which give you selenium and your vitamin D, as well as some snow peas. I would have added more snow peas, but my daughter took some for the bird, so I didn't have a chance to go out and get some more. And then you have your bean sprouts in there. It is a perfectly balanced meal. I didn't add any extra salt because your soy sauce already has salt, so you can use liquid aminos if you want to cut down on the salt. But I use dark soy sauce so that it darkens it up like that, and you need very little to darken it up. That's why I use a dark soy sauce, so it still cuts down the salt that way. This is so good. Guys, go and try it out. Use your favorite sauces in the ingredients if you want. It is a must try. Hey guys, I needed to share it again. This dish is absolutely huge. It's the size of my head and it's jam-packed of one serving. If you wanted to do half, you definitely can. But I want to eat this entire thing, and I can. And this is under 350 calories. That is what I said, 350 calories of whole food plant-based diet, which is Starch Solution Approved, which I currently eat, and I've been eating this all week, and I've lost currently 55 plus pounds eating this way. Guys, you need to try this. Like, look at that. Absolutely delicious. Jam-packed with wonderful vegetables. Go and try this. Welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Tell me that did not look delicious. You guys have to try this out. I promise, hands down, it'll be your favorite and your family's favorite. If you want to change up the barbecue sauce, you definitely can. The same one in your area, not a problem. Use your favorite. Have fun with cooking. Get your kids involved and just enjoy. These are fantastic, tender, beautiful udon noodles. Please make sure to read the package. Sure, they are vegan friendly. That is important, a part on the Starch Solution. And that is basically it for this video. That's all I could say. So remember always, one life, one love, one purpose. Go out and do you today and never let anybody stop you from your dreams. And I want to ask a question out there. What is your favorite non-vegan food before you became vegan, or if you're planning to transition? What is the one thing that you miss eating? If it's a dessert, breakfast, a main dish, a side dish, whatever it might be, let me know, because I would love to veganize that for you and have you featured in my next video. I'll see you next time, guys. Leave the comments below, and thank you for subscribing here and going to my Instagram at kkatz vegan kitchens. See you next time. Bye.